Let's face it, your smart TV deserves better than a wipe down with kitchen towels and leftover glass cleaner. Because what if I told you that by doing this, you may be slowly ruining your expensive OLED or QLED screen without even knowing it. You should always keep in mind that एक गलत cleaning habit से आपका screen का shine हमेशा के लिए जा सकता है. Today, we are breaking down the most common mistakes people make while cleaning their TVs and what to do instead in 5 simple parts. We get it. Paper towels are everywhere, but using them on your screen, very bad idea. They may feel soft, but they are abrasive enough to leave micro scratches on your TV screens. This can affect the screen surface or anti-glare coating. Tissues are no better. They leave behind lint and make the screen look even dirtier. It's not glass, it's tech. So, glass cleaners usually contain harsh chemicals like ammonia or alcohol, which is perfect for Windows but terrible for OLED and QLED screens. These chemicals can strip protective layers, cause cloudiness, and even permanently discolor your TV's display. Even diluted alcohol can erode the anti-reflective coating on your TV screen over time. It's tempting because it evaporates quickly, but the damage builds up quietly. So OLED and QLED screens are especially sensitive to them. Don't even try using a dishcloth or kitchen rag to clean your TV screen. Even if it feels soft, it may have tiny debris or rough textures that can scratch your TV screen. And sponges, especially the scrubby side, a big no-no. Spraying water or cleaner directly on the screen feels convenient, but it can be very risky. The liquid can drip into the edges, damage internal components, and even kill the pixels. Always spray onto a microfiber cloth rather than directly putting it on the TV screen. Some folks go the extra mile, but in the wrong direction. Don't use nail polish remover, acetone, or even baby wipes, and definitely stay away from cleaning powders or detergents. They can scratch or corrode your TV screen completely. So, what's the right way to clean your TV screen? Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth and, if needed, a bit of distilled water or a screen-safe solution sprayed on the cloth, not on the screen. Be gentle and follow a circular motion. Don't apply too much pressure on the TV screen. If you treat your TV with care, it will deliver crisp visuals for a long time. Which of these mistakes were you making? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more smart tech explainers. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.